Mitali Adhikari and I am a student of Trinity Dwarka. I am pursuing the course BJMC first year second shift. As we all know, India is facing its second wave of COVID-19 and Delhi is one of the most hit by this second wave. People are struggling for plasma, oxygen beds, food and what-not. Even the places to cremate their loved ones which they have lost. The least we can do to help these people is to help ourselves by following these precautions. First precaution you need to take is double mask yourself. Yes, single mask is not enough with the new mutant arriving this year. So always double mask yourself and make sure you sanitize your hand every time you touch something. Even if you try to adjust your mask or touch your mask, first of all, don't do it. And even if you does, make sure you sanitize every time, as this area is the prime area to get affected first. Also, do not touch your eyes, your nose or mouth. It's very dangerous and make sure you sanitize every time. And by sanitizing, I mean using an alcoholic based sanitizer or a soap. Maintain 1 meter distance at least with the person you are interacting, or avoid going to crowded places. As important as it is to wear a mask, it is also important to dispose the same mask very properly, because if not done right, then this can become the reason of spreading the disease at a faster rate. During this time, make sure you avoid any kind of gathering at any cost. And even if you does under emergency condition or any serious situation, make sure your home or your room is well ventilated with a window or anything that allows the natural ventilation, and make sure the air passes around the house. It's in the nature of this virus that it will attack your immune system first to make you weak, and for that you need to include antioxidant and fiber into your diet that will boost your immunity and help you to fight with this virus. Now, what we youngster can do about this? What we can do is share as much as right information on social media. Try to spread the right information everywhere, either online or offline. Try to educate your friends, family about COVID-19 and make sure you are following every precaution. Championing mental health. Make sure you're creating or maintaining a suitable atmosphere at home so that this emptiness or this tough time does not get to your elder members of your family. And make sure you are just spreading smile and happiness around you. Other things you can do is try to find opportunities to volunteer in your community by delivering food or making sanitization kits and distribute to the locals and the needy people who need it, for example, the daily laborers. So that's how you can help in this tough situation. At the end, I would like to quote that we are in this together. We will fight this together. We are not living in fear, we are living in faith. And this time shall pass too.